Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avirash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, market is open on a lower note. We cannot see much volatility. In short, market is behaving like a typical Monday market. So this is the chart of DXY US dollar index. Dollar is the most popular currency in the world. So knowing what is going on in US dollar is extremely important. So we can see the dollar index is right now standing at 104.05. There is no doubt that DXY is fundamentally and technically bullish right now. As a result, you need to plan your trades accordingly. Before the US session, if you see the market forms few red candles, still consider the market to be in uptrend because there is a big difference between a trend reversal and correction or retracement. So if market shows red candles also, that will just be a correction, not trend reversal. So we have the next support around 103.50 to 103.60, and then we have 103.10 to 103. These are the two support levels on the chart of DXY where we can expect the buyers to be active and push the market towards the upside. As the market is trending, so we are simply using the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average. You can see here market has been respecting 50 moving average and 100 moving average. So more or less we can expect that it will be respecting again considering the market sentiment. But yes, you need to be a little careful because we can see that during the US session we have a news coming up. This is not a very big event because the market will be mostly waiting for the major event of the week, which is non-farm payroll, which is coming on September 1st. Okay, so before September 1st, I don't think so that market will be giving us some crazy moves. Okay, but still there will be some volatility. Beginners, new traders, okay, do not gamble with your capital, hard-earned money. We are traders, not gamblers. So that's all about DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So as I have already showed you guys on Saturday that euro USD's position is little bit critical. My dear friends, if you are looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So on the chart of Euro USD, we can see the market is still respecting the critical important support of 1.0780. Okay, and still market is trying to survive here, and still there is no sign of trend reversal. We have a support but no sign of trend reversal, no sign of new buyers joining the market, and overall the market sentiment is also not helping us. As we all know, that trend of the market is very important. So the trend of the market is towards the downside, but if we consider the daily chart, we can see a different story. On the daily chart, market is standing at the 200 moving average, trying to take support around the trend line here. So two charts, two different stories. So tough to tell what will happen to the market. Okay, so be careful. Okay, if you're not in blind love with euro USD, then I'll suggest you to look at the trading opportunities on other pairs. Okay, because euro USD is not the right option to trade right now. So the trading opportunity that I see on the chart of Euro USD is, first of all, if you already have a buy position on the chart, you can be on the trade because the upward channel market taking support at the trend line 200 moving average. Okay, that's a story from the daily chart. Daily chart, if you're considering a position from the daily chart, it means that you are a positional trader or you are a swing trader. So obviously you should not be worried about the small moves in the market. Your eyes should be on the bigger move. Okay, so if you have taken a position as a swing trader, positional trader, be on the trade, no need to exit. You are doing a fine job. But if you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, then you can look for a quick selling opportunity around 1.0850, where we have the next dynamic resistance around the 50 moving average here. Okay, that's all, my dear friends. 1.0850, it can be 1.0900 around the 100 moving average, just like the DXY. Here also the two moving averages are doing a fine job, but here they are acting as dynamic resistance. So you can look for a quick sell position if you're a day trader, but if you're a swing trader and holding a buy, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. Okay, and let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So This time the chart of GBPUSD, okay, is not very similar to euro dollar, and that's a relief. So as I have already explained on Saturday, that on the chart of GBPUSD I see three trading opportunities. First of all, if GBPUSD starts falling, then we have a support around 1.2500 or 1.2490. As we all know it very well that the market sentiment is not positive right now. So when you have a support but the market sentiment, okay, market sentiment is pointing towards the opposite side, in that case what you can do is, okay, you can simply look for a bounce. See, bouncing from a level and trend reversal from a level are both different things. So right now the market sentiment is not very bullish, okay, so as a result we can expect a bounce, good bounce of 40-50 pips from 1.2490, 1.2500. Right now I am looking at the Forex chart. Forex chart is will be very slow for confirmation. You can simply switch to the hourly time frame just to see whether the market is taking support or not. If you see the market is showing good price rejection from below, you'll get the confirmation that yes, support is working, and you can go for a buy around 1.2500. On the other hand, if market goes up, if you see the market is trying to go up, then observe the volatility of the market. As I have told you guys plenty of times, that volatility of the market plays a very critical role because it signifies the presence of buyers and sellers. So if you see the market goes up, okay, market is going up, and if the size of the candles are like this under normal circumstances, means absence of news. If you see market going up, then you can look for a resistance around 1.2650, 1.2655, around this level. If you see market is reversing, market is struggling, you will get the confirmation that sellers are present because of this. You can see previous price rejection. You can look for a sell position around there. Clear? 1.2650, and the second is 1.2690 to 1.2700. Around this level we have the previous support working as resistance. In along with that, you can see we also have the dynamic resistance here. On the 1 hour chart we have the 200 moving average, and if I change the time frame for us, you can see around 1.2700 we have the 50 and 100 moving averages. See, the moving averages, okay, are changing, okay, but the moving averages are changing, but still, okay, we can see the presence of it. So it gives us an additional confirmation that yes, sellers are present, sellers will be present, and under normal circumstances we can definitely expect some reversal from there. Once you'll see the market is struggling around the level, price is being rejected from above, you'll get the confirmation. Just do the math and click on the sell button. And my friends, as you guys already know it very well, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. My 3 days workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. Dono language mein hota hai. And my dear friends, this workshop is, as I've already said, the not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed for only those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. And it's a 3 days workshop. After the workshop you will be getting support for 1 month. Everything is mentioned on the website. You can see here, these are the topics that I'll be covering during the workshop. And right after the workshop, okay, there will be weekly classes for 1 month, and these are the topics that I'll be covering, my dear friends, in my weekly sessions. And the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving in 1 month. And if you join now also, no need to worry, okay, you'll be getting all the benefits now free of cost. And after the 3 days workshop you'll be getting another additional support for 1 month. And you can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And my dear friends, the best part is the fees. These are the dates, okay, 6, 7 and 8 of September for Hindi classes, 11, 12 and 13 for the English classes. All the sessions are recorded so that you can watch the recordings later and ask me questions, okay. And yes, as I said, the best part is the fees. It's only $15, okay, $15, rupees 1000 for Indians, for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. Everything you'll be getting for $15 only. And those who are looking for personal sessions, those who are looking for guidance, because many people, okay, yes, trading is a journey, okay, it takes the time, it takes patience. Those who are looking for personal sessions, longer relationship, for them I have very affordable semi-annual programs and lifetime support as well. You can see for 6 months, okay, you only need to pay $65 for everything, and plus 2 personal sessions with me, so that you can ask me questions, clear your doubts, you can learn. And lifetime, many people have queries regarding what is lifetime support. Okay, all the benefits that I have mentioned above, okay, that you'll be receiving for lifetime. Okay, regular market analysis, trade setups, access to the Telegram community, all the things for lifetime. You don't need to pay anything, and for $125 only. I have kept it very affordable. And the best part is that, okay, you'll be getting 6 personal sessions with me. So those who are struggling right now, those who are looking for some kind of guidance for longer time, the 6 personal sessions with me will be very beneficial, I believe so. Okay. And it's not hardened for us to look. If you need additional classes also after 6, obviously we can manage that as well. So everything is mentioned, my dear friends. Okay, feel free to sign up, feel free to join. You can join now also, no need to worry, because okay, you'll be getting everything free of cost right now, okay, till the workshop starts. And after the workshop, you'll be getting additional support officially. Okay, the link is in the description. Feel free to check them out. Bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management.